and lifestyle videos. If you're new, welcome, thank you so much. And if you're returning, thank you as well for supporting my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys my grocery haul and me decluttering out and cleaning out my refrigerator and freezer. I'm gonna focus on certain things, and I hope you guys stay tuned. Okay, so this is what my refrigerator is currently looking like. So I have a lot of dumping I need to do, and that's why a lot of times when I cook, I do not like cooking too much, because after a few days, I don't like to eat the leftovers again. And I'm gonna probably go through my condiment side and figure out what I can toss out and just kind of get things neatly. Unfortunately, you know, when things get organized and taken back out, things just get plopped back in. And this is my freezer, and I'm gonna be going through this as well, tossing out some things, because, and with certain stuff gets old, I just pop it into the freezer so it doesn't smell, because I'm gonna be doing a Costco run tomorrow, so I really need to get this done today. So what we're gonna do is just go row by row and figure out what needs to be tossed out. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me move this over some. And I'm just taking a garbage bag and just dumping it this way. And I'm just gonna put it in my trash can. And I'm just trying to look at the expiration dates. And if it's good and I know I'm gonna use it, I'll go ahead and keep it. So these are some pork chops we cooked the other night. I really don't want to toss that out. What I may go ahead and do is eat that maybe tomorrow. See, I even bought sweet potatoes, and didn't use this. Oh man, that's good. One of my daughters wanted this. It was actually pretty good. She got it from Target. She's more of my spicy child. She loves spicy food. So we got the first row done, and this is what I think I might go ahead and do. Just go ahead and try to use this up on here. I think I'm just gonna clean row by row. Oh, something light just fell down over there. I guess it's a bird. Threw me off. I think the last time that I used wipes, they left a streak. So you guys probably can't see any of that. These are some old cucumbers that I have, so I'm gonna toss those in the trash. I'm gonna toss this too. And I don't know if I'm the only person, but I have a habit of buying produce for salads, but lately I've been forgetting about them, or I just haven't had a taste to make them. And I think it's because it's been cold outside, so I've been wanting more warmer, hot temperature foods versus a cold salad. However, I am trying to eat more healthier, so I need to kind of find somewhat of a better balance. I'm thinking I can do a little bit better on making a salad for work. I'll have to figure it out. But I ended up tossing a handful of old lettuce and cucumbers, peppers in the trash. And, you know, unfortunately with produce, you do kind of need to eat it more quicker. But my main focus is getting this refrigerator cleaned out, and I think the last time I actually cleaned it out like this was in my old cleaning video, and kitchen cleaning video, and I could probably link that in this as well. But I really do feel like I organize it pretty decently. Like, I try to keep all our drinks and stuff like that on one type of shelf. It's just, you know, when you put things back in, things get moved around or whatnot. On the bottom 2 shelves, I usually try to keep like our fruit or veggies, produce like lemons, that type of thing. And then up top will be more like our sandwiches, like meats, leftovers, that type of thing. And then even on the right side, you'll see when we get to the condiments, I'll tell you a little bit on how I try to keep that organized. And no, I don't know what's at the bottom of the refrigerator, but I end up having to pour some pine salt on it to loosen it up. Okay guys, so that was a workout. Alright, so I'm gonna let that situation at the bottom of the refrigerator sit for a little bit with the pine salt, so it'll be a little bit easier to scrub. And now I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the freezer. Yeah, I'm go ahead and tossing out everything. Some leftovers I know I don't feel like eating, so some things I did leave in there, and some things which is old, so I'm gonna toss out. But anything left over, I'll just see if one of my daughters want to have it, or I'll just eat it tomorrow. So I'm not tossing out so much food. All right, so let's get started onto the refrigerator. Excuse me, the freezer. All right, so this is the first level. I usually get these little pancake sausage dogs for breakfast for my daughters. This is another set of ravioli, you guys, if you haven't seen my other video where I cooked the mushroom one. This is another one. So this would be like a nice little recipe that my daughters can cook on the weekend. These are chicken breasts that I normally get from Kirkland. Chicken breast chunks. They're just chicken tenders. They're really good. This is my children. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's just one left in there. Yeah. Some more chicken tenders. And then some corn. So I'm trying to do it where I put the corn at the very bottom. Go ahead and toss this back in so we can visually see. This was some fish. I think if you've seen my previous video where I talked about the Aldi haul, you'll see that. They're actually pretty good. These are veggies that I get from Kirkland's. They're really good. So I've got these little dumplings. Sorry, it's so close, but I've gotten these from Costco. We still have a full bag, so I definitely will not be buying these again. For the freezer, what I'm trying to do is keep the top shelf with just all our meats, so I know what we have, and the second shelf I'm trying to keep breakfast food, and then this shelf right here that you currently see is just kind of my miscellaneous items, nothing particular. And then the bottom pull-out drawer is all our veggies. So I'm trying to keep it organized that way so I can kind of get a gauge of what I have, what I don't have when I go do my next grocery haul. But again, life gets in the way and things get put back and forth, in different spots. But that's my goal for now. The pine sol did a wonderful job loosening up that glue that was down there. It was sticky previously, so if you have any tough stains that you're trying to remove from out of your refrigerator, I highly recommend the pine sol. Unfortunately, my body ended up hitting the camera, so the footage that I did record, the camera had moved off to the left. For the side of the door of the refrigerator, the top shelf I'm designating for just my salad dressings. The shelf underneath that will be our sauces, like if I have any barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, condiments like that. The shelf underneath that, I have just like my butters, garlic, kind of like miscellaneous things like that. And then the bottom shelf would just house like extra drinks. So that's how I'm trying to keep it organized, just so it's easier to, this is where I go here for that, or if I need to replace some salad dressing, let me see how much I have. And for me, if I only have a little bit of salad dressing left or a little bit of condiment left in a bottle, I toss it out. I don't try to hold on to it. So I'm hoping I can kind of do a better job on keeping an eye on this throughout the week. The refrigerator wasn't as bad as last time. It was just more of clearing out old stuff so I can make room for new stuff. I really do need to get better at trying to make sure that's done more weekly, but sometimes I just don't feel like it. Simple as that. But I think what I need to do more of a better job of is clearing it out, because technically, guys, I don't really do a big grocery haul or go big grocery shopping. I do that every 2 weeks, like basically on paydays. Every 2 weeks I get paid. That's when I do the bulk of my grocery shopping. And then if I need something in between, like a non-payday week, it'll be something more on a smaller scale. So I'm just picking up stuff because I need it or something came up, that type of thing. But what I am gonna start trying to do better at when I'm getting ready to go grocery shopping, like my bigger haul, is to clear out the refrigerator, see what we have, see what we don't need, that type of thing. Because sometimes as most of us, I'm buying duplicates of stuff that I don't need. Like I have bought extra zucchini because I thought the zucchini I had in there was old, but it's not. So now I have a lot of zucchini. But anywho, so what I'm gonna do, because I'm tired, I like to pace myself. I don't got nowhere to be until about 3:30 or 4, and right now it's 12:50, so it's almost 1 o'clock. I'm gonna take a break. I need to clean the dishes because I tossed in a lot of the Tupperware from inside. Usually when I do that, I clean the dishes. I don't have my daughters do it. I don't know, that's just how I do it because it's a lot is piled up at this point. And then I need to really wash the fruit, and then from there I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I do one day want to get those little storage things to kind of store the fruit a little bit better, but I'll get there eventually. I got my water because cleaning, tossing out food makes you get thirsty. So I got my water because I still need to get dinner started, and I'll take you guys along with me on that. It's just gonna be some chicken fajitas, and before I get them, I may end up getting some like guacamole or something like that. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this portion.